What's up YouTube? Dylan here at Dylan's Home Espresso Bar, and today we are going to be doing an unboxing, and I want to say thank you to the folks over at AeroPress for sending me this package to review for you guys at home. I currently already have the standard original AeroPress. They actually sent me the AeroPress GO, which is really good and compact for traveling and also for camping because it does come with its separate cup. So again, thank you so much to the folks over at AeroPress for sending me this package to review on my channel for you guys at home. So I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing, and let's go ahead and get started. Oh yeah, and if you guys are new to the channel, consider hitting that subscribe button down below, as I would love for you to come join our coffee family and our coffee community, and I can't wait to get to know you guys. If you guys have any questions, please do not hesitate to leave them down in the comments below. And if you guys are already subscribed to my channel, please consider smashing that thumbs up, as that really does help my channel grow and be seen. But let's get on to the unboxing. So here we go. What is in the box? So if you order an AeroPress GO, this is what you are going to see. So here is the AeroPress GO. Don't need that. And let's just go ahead and look at the box. So as you see here, it is 1 to 3 cups of coffee or espresso or cold brew in about a minute. So if you guys already have the AeroPress and you guys are looking into the AeroPress GO, I will definitely give you guys the size comparison, and I will also be brewing some coffee as well. Not in this video, this is just the unboxing. However, I do imagine that the taste will be the same. This is just a little bit more compact and a little bit better for travel size. So here we go. First thing I can notice is obviously with the AeroPress GO, it comes with a cup and also a lid. So definitely nice, and I'm assuming all this kind of collapses into this cup, and then it just comes, you can just carry the cup, and it's pretty good. So over here, it's just the same as the AeroPress. Just add your coffee and water, stir it. So it does come with a stir stick, and also press the coffee into the mug, and you get great coffee. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this box up. All right, so right off the bat, this is pretty cool that they do give you micro filters, 350 pack, when you buy the AeroPress GO. So definitely a really good thing about the AeroPress GO already is they do give you that starting 350 pack for your filters. So that is definitely a positive with the AeroPress GO. So right off the bat, this lid right here is just extremely like a spongy kind of rubbery material. Just all kind of collapses in here. So I'm just going to go ahead and take all of this stuff out. So this is just your standard cup, plastic cup. Really nice, pretty big too. It's the size of my hand. And then this is your collapsible stir stick. Give you this nice little gritty material, so that way you can stir your coffee and then it just collapses so it goes back in the cup. So pretty cool. This is just your scoop, so you can get your grounded coffee, or if you have a grinder or hand grinder, definitely would strongly recommend buying fresh beans and grinding your whole beans into coffee grounds, and then brewing. You're going to get a lot better taste and a lot more fullness out of your coffee. So nice little feature there. This is obviously just the lid that it comes with, which is really spongy, pretty nice material as well. And then this is, I thought, was a really cool and neat feature, since this is an AeroPress GO and this is designed for travel as opposed to the original AeroPress. They give you this, and you can just kind of store your filters in here, so that way it's not going to get damaged or anything during the move or the travel. So really cool, nifty thing that they kind of throw in here in this package that does not come with the original AeroPress. So I will show you guys what all comes with the original AeroPress once we are done, but this is just the same kind of setup as the AeroPress itself. It's just a nice little suction cup here. Just go straight into there, and then you're going to put your filter into here, and then you're just going to lock that in, and then press into your cup. So I would imagine it fits really good in this cup since it is all in one. So it does fit along the base here fairly well. And then you're just going to pretty much just go right in there. So really nice feel to it. It's very, very small and compact. I actually have the original right here. So if you guys can see, not a huge difference, but as you can see, it's 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it is a little bit bigger, but not too much. The lids and everything are still the same, except if you are brewing, this cup, this lid right here that you actually push down into is a little bit bigger on the standard version. So definitely something to keep in mind if you guys are not planning on traveling and you just want the original AeroPress. So I believe this AeroPress, the original one, is about $20, and I believe this one comes in at about, I think, $40, I believe. But you also do get everything that you see here. With the original, you just get the actual base itself, and that is all. So definitely would recommend looking into both models. However, this is a nice feature to have, which is the cup, the stir stick, the scoop for your coffee grounds, the 350 pack microfilters, and then you also have the little carrying case here for your microfilters so they're not getting torn or bent during travel. And then you have the nice little lid that goes right over the cup when you are done. So really cool feature. Really like the cup as well. I think they did a really good job, and it's just simple and easy. And then lastly, just to kind of pack up, you can just put everything inside. So I believe the scoop goes in here, and so does the stirring stick. And then you can kind of just put all of that into here like so. Throw the screen on top, and then you can throw the lid over all of that, and you have your nice carrying case. So again, it all just fits real nice and compact. The only thing that you're gonna have to do is just prep that little plasticky piece that you can put your microfilters in, because you're not gonna wanna carry a whole pack like this unless you plan on doing some serious brewing when you are out camping. But really nice, cool feature. It all packs away in a small and compact cup, nice and plastic and rubber. I don't believe this will keep it hot very long. However, it is something that is nice to just brew your coffee in, add your hot water, and then just go ahead and put that lid on so no bugs or anything get on it. And I'm sure you're gonna drink it right away anyways. So this is the AeroPress GO. You get what you see, and definitely can't wait to use it for the first time and just kind of compare it with the regular AeroPress. However, the only difference that I really see is a little bit more compact. It comes with a cup, a stir stick, and the filters and stuff. So you definitely get good bang for your buck when you buy the AeroPress GO, and it is a lot more compact. Even with the cup, it's about the same size as the original AeroPress. So if you guys are in the market and you guys do not have an AeroPress already, definitely two great products that I would look into. You can't go wrong with either one. However, if you are just wanting to brew at home, I would probably go with the original AeroPress. If you are a camper or like to go outdoors and brew your coffee, I would definitely look at the AeroPress GO. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. This is the AeroPress GO. I want to say thank you once again to the folks over at AeroPress for sending me this product to review, and I can't thank them enough. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.